Okay guys, we're going to make some crafts, and it's so simple. You just take a couple of garbage bags. You have the one that you'll have almost as it were as a skirt, and then this is going to be the outer part so that it blows in the wind nicely. But because it's so thin, you need the two to complement each other, because otherwise you'll see the stuffing inside. So two is plenty. So what I did is use an old hanger. You could use black, red, blue, purple, pink, whatever color you want to make the face, and just hang it outside. Come on guys, don't be lazy. There's no excuse not to make some decorations for the little kids going by. So I'm just going to take this and take it and put the strips. They're about an inch apart. You're going to separate them. Make sure that they're loose so that when it blows nicely in the wind. Just like that. And then when you open the bag, it'll separate them anyway. So you just go ahead, separate it. You're going to make sure you're going to put the hole in the middle at the top. And you're going to put the first one in. Just almost like you're putting a pillowcase on. So put it in. Make sure you have the corner straight in the one. Stick it right into the corner. And the other side, just put a hole right in the middle. Oop. Hook. Just like that. Then you're going to take your hanger and you're going to change its shape to a semi-round shape. Stick that in. The corners are going to be semi-square, and that's, just take it out, get it all nice, and see how it makes like a nice little skirt, or like nice little dress of sorts. So then you're going to take the corners and simply tuck them in so it's not too rigid a square, but still a shape. Semi like a face or a head, just like that. And then you're going to make a face. So you can choose what type of face you want to make. If it wants to be scary or funny, happy, excited. I'm not the best at drawing, so I'm just going to do the standard face with the round eyes and then a round mouth. The standard is a round mouth, just like in the screen. So let's do that. Let's make one face. You make a 6 and color in the 6, and then at the top of the 6, finish the circle. Is how I'm going to be making my eyes on this guy. So you just make a number 6, circle it, and then make the 0. And it makes fun eyes. Then you make a round mouth. And there you have it. Cheap and fun. The kids will not mind that they're not perfect. You do not have to be perfect. And have those outside somewhere, draped in a tree. Ooh. So do that. The other way you can make it is by stuffing the head with some paper. Just put a string at the top and then close it off. I ended up putting some little googly eyes, And then once that's dry, I'll put the mouth. So, yeah. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting a tape on the top and then a see-through string, and I'm going to have it hopefully hanging from somewhere so it can kind of blow in the wind and be fun. So again, that's where you'll put an inner bag and then an outer bag. 2 bags are plenty. So I've made 5 of these, and I've made 2 of the others so far because I ran out of stuffing. I didn't want to use bags needlessly, so I can use some of these bags over when I'm done. So how to make cheap and very fun and friendly little decorations for kids. It's coming up soon, guys. The other thing that I did is I made little spiders out of some crafts that I had left over. So again, put those around. The kids will love it. They don't have to be black spiders. They can be pink and white or gray or red and pink. Your spider can be whatever color. Use whatever you have. And then I have a couple more things here. I'm going to try and figure out what to do with these other items. I might make some little mini ghosts out of some other things. Again, I'm a little bit of a pack rat, so I ended up keeping these from some Christmas decorations, and I had this left over from a birthday. So somehow, some way, use all your things that are left over, guys, and get it done. Look at these. I had some little items that were meant some things that were at the I bought, and there was these leftover stickers, so I just went ahead and stuck them on some paper, and I'm just gonna decorate the hallway, my front entrance a bit, so it's kind of fun for them, for all the times that when you send your kids or your nieces and nephews go out 10,000 times, you have to make sure to give back to. So with that, click like and subscribe, hit that notification bell for any upcoming videos of me being silly, sometimes being informative, such as teaching you how to make a fun, cheap, and economical spooky little ghost decoration for your Halloweeners, or sometimes I'm simply sitting and having a mukbang with you. So remember to share, because sharing is caring, and we want to get it out there that I'm the girl who likes to show her uvula before and after she eats. So with that, I will see you. Oh, be sure to watch the heading, because if you don't like that, be sure to watch my other videos, which there's a myriad of them, where my mouth is not open. But if you do see a tongue in the heading, it's because my mouth will be open. Forewarned, and I will see you in the next. Ooh.